this was while crying before me. She had narrated this fact कि हम तो खुद एक vagabond का life जी रहे थे, हम वहाँ से निकल गए. I was on my own. So she was
with all respect, that is the evasive kind of reply.
No, Lord,
how a mother can say कि हम तो खुद vagabond की तरह जी रहे थे.
हमको पहला बार पता चला कि बॉम्बे में 35 लाख में भी फ्लैट मिलता है. I thought that it would be costing too high.
पहले तो फैमिली ऐसे ही चलता था ना कि कुछ वाइफ्स कंट्रीब्यूट करते थे.
आज भी चलता है. So it was vice versa. It was the husband who contributed 15-20%. 80% was contributed by the wife.
Oh, husband has also contributed.
Yes,
na?
he contributed.
Whatever was his capacity.
Ji, and he said, no, capacity wise both are very well off. They both are very well off.
Now they stopped her. I don't know. We don't know what happened, what transpired. Now the daughter is not being allowed to. Meeting is a very rare possibility. Even on telephonic conversation, even that is not being allowed.
The child does not want to talk to mother. I said that you must have polluted her mind, because I can make out that a daughter who would refuse talking to her mother is a very rarest of rare case.
Yes. What has happened? Matter has been resolved or not?
Mediation has failed. Despite the best effort.
Mediation failed. Despite two senior lawyers at the bar being.
It's unfortunate, but it has failed.
We tried our best, my lord. They are not ready to talk.
That's the difficulty. We are looking for mediation in these matters.
No, the only problem is that there is a daughter of this respondent number 4. And that is the main issue, that she is not even she's restrained even from talking to her. So in the meantime, whatever time is being taken for the case to be listed once again, at least one line that
restrained her from talking.
She is not being allowed. When she makes a call.
This is what the instruction she has from her client. Therefore, she is submitting this. I have a different instruction from my client, Lord. He says, even today he is sitting here in Patna. He says that the child does not want to talk to mother. I said that you must have polluted her mind. I was not on behalf of my client, my lord, while I was talking, because I can make out that a daughter who would refuse talking to her mother is a very rarest of rare case.
Yes.
But he says that she was left with the father and she is staying far off from last so many years. So that has developed. Now the child is growing. So we have no difficulty to do.
Child is only 4 years old.
No, the child is not 4 years old, my lord.
How
6
much?
years is now that they have separated.
Almost 12.
Almost 12
years.
Yes.
12 years old.
So now she is grown up. The father says that on Deepavali I made it a point because the mediation had taken place. Although I don't go for mediation, but I went just, my lord, in order that so that they may settle down.
What can be done? Find out some ways and means so that she can at least have some dialogue with her daughter.
No, my lord, he said that I made her talk. I made her
No,
talk.
he should not be there.
No, he said.
Why not that girl child should be taken to some counselor, and there both the mother and the girl child be there.
My lord, initially I initiated.
Help them.
My lord, I initiated.
That is the reason. Rather, Lords, I had also made this query from the mother, that how you have also been hard-hearted to leave your child. Plus, that is what then I got convinced by what she said, that she was rather compelled to leave the house and that matrimonial relationship.
No, but you are coming to this court after such a long time.
Yes, Lords, because
12 years your child is not with you.
Lords, I'll explain. Lords, I have explained.
And you know, after 12 years, the opinion of the child will be taken into consideration.
My lord will kindly bear with me.
Yes.
Lords, the earlier, Lords, she was allowed to, she was speaking to her child. She also used to take her to vacations. She used to be with her daughter. At least earlier they were allowing all these things to happen. But recently, Lords, after all these developments had taken place, Lord, now they stopped her. I don't know, we don't know, Lords, what happened, what transpired. Now the daughter is not being allowed to. Meeting is a very rare possibility. Even on telephonic conversation, even that is not being allowed.
Do one thing, I am with both of you for the benefit of the girl child. आप लोग दोनों मिल करके बताइए मुझे कि क्या इसमें
What
will be the way out?
Lords, what is being submitted? Let me presume it to be yes for a minute.
We are not talking legally in this issue.
Yes.
Let us not talk legally.
Yes, therefore I said, Lord, let me presume it. Otherwise, my lord, my instruction is otherwise. But let me presume that what she is saying is correct. because she is speaking on that instruction. But what could be done? The child is not ready to stay. The husband is not ready to stay. The wife is not now ready to stay because she got ready in the mediation, my lord. When I convinced her, she got ready. But the they both are so much educated and working.
Should I request you one thing?
Ji.
You being a senior advocate, why don't you use your own wisdom?
Ji.
Talk to the child and take your sister also with you. And both of you talk to the child at least once.
My lord, as my lord.
And try to find out where is the problem.
Lord, whenever is the next date, let me talk to her, as it has fallen from my lord. But what I understand now, my lord, after talking to, I had the occasion of speaking to that informant also, my lord, in this case. What is that she left the child at the age of 6. She was left in the flat which she is banging upon. They have left with the child, the entire family, on rent. This is the position. A flat was purchased by the informant, some money of the husband also, most of the money of the wife and her father, but some contribution, I have the records, the contribution made. हमको पहला बार पता चला कि बॉम्बे में 35 लाख में भी फ्लैट मिलता है. I thought that it would be costing too high. But I have the records which says that only for 35 or 37 lakh that flat is there, and 7 lakh was for the registration and the other stamp and everything. So for the first time I come to know. But whatever, it was her money. Say 75%, 80% is her money. 15-20% is my money. That is in the account, that is visible. Now she, for whatever reason, either she forced or whatever was the reason, the entire family, the husband, his mother, father, and this child of 6 years, they left the house and they are staying in a rented house. Now this is the position. So whatever
पहले तो फैमिली ऐसे ही चलता था ना कि कुछ वाइफ्स कंट्रीब्यूट करते थे.
आज भी चलता है.
पहले क्या होता था, व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड इन माय चाइल्डहुड
जी,
कि बहुत बार वाइफ जो होती थी वो अपने हस्बैंड को कहती थी, खास करके when they used to migrate from village to urban area, कि साहब ये ठीक है, हमारा जो जेवर गहना है ना,
करेक्ट,
इसको बेच दीजिए या गिरवी रख करके
करेक्ट
एक जमीन ले लीजिए.
नहीं, और हुजूर जो
this I have heard in my own family, I tell you.
हुजूर जो शादियां हुआ करती थी,
And father, the male member who was the earning member of the family, with that support could muster courage कि ठीक है, चलो एक जमीन का टुकड़ा ले लेते हैं और उस पर धीरे धीरे करके जब कमाएंगे तो बनाते जाएंगे. तो अब तो सिचुएशन थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो गया, लेकिन वो 15-20% कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रॉम वन साइड वाज वेरी वाइटल. दैट वाज नॉट ओनली अ सपोर्ट फाइनेंशियली, it was a moral support and was giving a strength to the.
No, it was vice versa. It was the husband who contributed 15-20%. 80% was contributed by the wife.
Oh, husband has also contributed.
Yes,
na?
he contributed.
Whatever was his capacity.
Gee, and he said, no, capacity wise, both are very well off. They both are very well off. One is the vice president of a company, oil company, which is a very reputed oil company, and she is general manager Reliance. तो दोनों जो हैं अपने अपने जगह पे बहुत ही well placed हैं. So that is one aspect of the matter. Then is another aspect.
We have improved on monies, but we have not improved
on relationships and not on emotions.
That has deteriorated. That
has deteriorated and.
Huzur, एक चीज जो what has fallen from my lord, I had asked about this thing also about the daughter. This was while crying before me, she had narrated this fact that I had to when she had to leave the whole family, and she said that यही reason है. मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आपने कभी custody के लिए बच्चे को ये के लिए, this was what she said कि हम तो खुद एक vagabond का life जी रहे थे, हम वहाँ से निकल गए, I was on my own. She was
They
with
gave
the
with all
family.
respect, that is an evasive kind of reply.
No, Lord, she
How
because
a mother can say कि हम तो खुद vagabond की तरह जी रहे थे
because she was under a huge emotional and mental stress. She was not keeping well. She had to move out of the house, and the daughter was doing her schooling, and with her father, the grandparents, everybody was there. So she said that considering that aspect कि एक अभी एक
So
household
she
में
thought that the best interest of child lies in leaving her with her grandparents and her father, and so she did not take any step to get in touch with her own daughter.
No, she got in touch. She did not fight a legal battle. She did not want to bring her child in the courts. That is the only thing that she said.
अब हम
She didn't want
थोड़ा
to-
सा explain कर देते हैं यहाँ पे. First of all, what is falling is what is coming from my friend is that she has left the house. She has not left the house.
ठीक है, I am not
We
going
have
into
left the
that
house.
issue. देखिए, this is
She
not the
has
occasion.
now, my lords, and how things have moved. They lived in Bombay. Right now, she is in some foreign country. But she is not in India.
In deputation.
As
at deputation.
on deputation, she is in Singapore, as I have been informed. She is not in country, and this she has not informed to even to the police officers. So this is one aspect. Second aspect, she does not have time to react to her child. She does not have time because we have to manage so many things. We as a women, while working, we feel my lords that we lack at so many places when we are working all throughout the time. She is into a much hectic profession where वहाँ तो हुजूर 500 वर्ग का भी स्कोप नहीं है, तो
कोई scope
there is
नहीं।
कोई स्कोप नहीं है, तो that is there.
Either
She left her
perform or
child.
fight.
She left her child at the age of 6. Now she is 12.
No,
She
I
has
have
developed her own
understood
mood.
this. I
और
have
एक चीज
understood the
और
issues.
एक चीज हुजूर और है इसमें which I would, since I do not have the very relevant document to impress my lord to this aspect. The marriage takes place in Bhubaneswar. She goes to Bombay. The boy also goes to Bombay. Patna से सिर्फ इतना मतलब है that she says that during the COVID period she came to Patna. If we remember those judgments, my lord, that is correct, that this is a continuing offence. That is correct, my lord. But the FIR का हुजूर यहाँ पे jurisdiction कैसे है in which I am standing, my lord? I am putting this question to myself, my lord, that when I requested that at least you should have given me some document in support of, he said that every document was taken by her, nothing is there, I can find out. हम लोग तो घर छोड़कर बाहर चले आए, तो everything was left out. Even he is ready कि जो jewelries, as I come to know during the mediation, he said that jewelry लॉकर में रखा हुआ है, भुवनेश्वर के लॉकर में है, जो शादी के बाद हम लोग बॉम्बे चले गए, वो उन्हीं का लिखा हुआ पीस ऑफ पेपर है, वो जाए मेरे सामने क्योंकि जॉइंट अकाउंट में है, लेट हर टेक ऑल हर ज्वेलरी बिकॉज इकोनॉमिकल प्रॉब्लम हुजूर दोनों में से किसी को नहीं
ठीक
है.
है, ऐसा है ना, let us
जी
pause here. This matter will be taken up after 2 weeks.
जी
I am fixing date.
जी
In the meantime, you remove the defects.
जी
And I am giving this from my side to both of you, this assignment,
जी
that please get in touch with the
child
girl child.
and
And
they will have to allow me also.
They-
both,
नहीं,
no. Both of you are not going to talk as a lawyer,
Yes, absolutely.
as a well-wisher of that child.
Absolutely of the child.
what
And
I
both
what
of
I
you are
was-
so matured, and I am very much confident that both of you will try your best to
My lords, absolutely.
find out the truth.
जी
उनको अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं, मिला सकते हैं बच्चे के साथ, तो
जी
ठीक है.
बस उतना ही.
गैप तो हो गया है.
जी
Gap
गैप
I
तो हो
can-
गया है.
I can understand
Realize
that
gap
there is a
हो
big
गया है,
gap.
बस उसी को
मतलब
थोड़ा सा
To leave
bridging.
your child for any reason for 10-12 years,
नहीं इस बीच
तो
में ये लोग-
impressive age होता है, and in that impressive
नहीं,
age,
हुजूर, ये हुजूर थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन हुजूर शायद ठीक नहीं जा रहा
ठीक
है.
है.
He has not
अभी
left.
I am not forming any opinion.
जी जी
नहीं,
जी.
it is only
जी.
some
Let
of
it
the-
come after
जी.
2 weeks.
Plus, what I was saying, let this matter be fixed on 19th, my lord. In between, I will remove the defect. We also will be having some time to speak to the child on 18th. We'll call because the father will have to get the child from Bombay, because it will be something like that. So 18th evening we'll be speaking
All
to the
right.
child.
19th of
And
December.
19th of December, let this
थोड़ा
matter.
पहले बात कीजिए ना, थोड़ा पहले 1-2 दिन
जी।
पहले बात कीजिए, so
जी।
that कि एक सीटिंग नहीं, दूसरा सीटिंग का भी जरूरत हो, तो both of you can have some time. कुछ इशू जो है
10th and 11th of December, also maybe a week earlier.
14th then, my lords, I can because
हाँ, I will keep it on 19th. I'll keep the matter on 19th.
Very well. My lord is asking that we should get.
You should give some more time.
Let's speak to each other.
We'll speak to.
लिखिए. Learned counsel for learned senior counsel for the petitioner. कुछ लिखा नहीं है पहले? लिखा है? क्या लिखा?
As per 2 weeks time granted to remove the defect. If the defect is removed, this matter under this appropriate heading after 2 weeks.
On 19th of December 2022, within top 10 cases, full stop. Considering the best interest of the girl child, comma, this court has requested Ms. Nivedita Nirvikar, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. Soni Srivastava, learned counsel for respondent number 4, to take their time in talking to the girl child so as to make her understand her interest in being in touch with her mother also. Full stop. Both the learned counsel have assured this court that they will try their best to talk to the girl child in this regard and apprise this court at the time of hearing of this application. Stop. List accordingly.